Okay, here is my miniature herd for you to see. They are probably all pregnant and ready to calve in the spring. These are my miniature hereford. You know, I love this miniature. They don't eat much, and they don't destroy the dirt like most standard cattle do. And they yield probably is a lot better than the standard. This is in the winter. I just put out the protein tub in the winter to keep them all minerals and additional protein for the winter. So they're all fat. So kind of excited. Looking forward in spring, probably April, when all the kids beginning to drop. Well, they all look pretty fat, except one of them, because she calf late, so we wean her calf. That's the one you're looking at right now. So she kind of a little bit bony compared to the rest, but she gaining back pretty quick. She look a lot better than last 2 weeks ago. So she's on the way. And these are the black bauldies crossing the miniature hereford and low-line Angus. That's my favorite. They came out pole, no horns, and they always stay fat for some reason, and they raise kids absolutely incredible. All their kids are fat. On the next video, I'm gonna video the kids for you guys to see. Here's the bull and the cow right next to him. I think she's pretty heavy pregnant, so she's probably the first one to calve. Well, this is in February, so within a couple months you're gonna start to see a lot of kids start to drop. At that time we're gonna videotape for you to see. So I'm about to go get the hay for them, so see you on next video.